Good morning, grade 7 students. In this class, we will discuss about Chapter 8 Human Environment Interactions, the Tropical and Subtropical Region from Geography. Life in the Amazon Basin. Before learning about the Amazon Basin, let us look at the map. Notice that the tropical region lies very close to the equator between 20 degree N and 10 degree S. So, it is referred to as the equatorial region. The river Amazon flows through this region. Notice how it flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. The numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form Amazon Basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. As you know, the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At night, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. Rainforest. As it rains heavily in this region, thick forests grow. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by the leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads grow as plants parasites. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds such as toucans, hummingbirds, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage. Oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Some animals like monkeys, sloth, and ant-eating tapirs are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons abound. Anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of species of insects. Several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found in the river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found here. People of the rainforest. People grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest, while men hunt and fish along the rivers. Women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. They practice by feeding them they grow, they practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat queen ants and egg sacs. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown. The rainforests provide a lot of food for the houses. Some families live in thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment-like houses called malauka with steeply slanting roof. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating through the river. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are used for reaching various places. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle in the new areas where they continue to practice their distinctive way of farming. Distinctive means showing difference. So they practiced different way of farming. The developmental activities are leading to the gradual destruction. Destruction means which causes ruin. So the developmental activities ruined by the biological diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. You can see that this destruction of forest has a much wider implication. Implication means the act of involving in, the topsoil is washed away as the rain falls and a lush forest turns into a barren landscape. That is, the very fertile, uncultivable land it becomes. Luxuriant forest becomes uncultivable, dry and uncultivable. We cannot cultivate anything. Today, with this, our class session finishes, children. In the next class, we shall discuss about life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Thank you, children.